Dora, come back. I'm at Andreas's house. Pretty. Dora, come. Eating grass. Dora. What's up? Cool Crocs.
Ja, ikke sant.
Andreas has got a new internet, so now it's totally epic. And he did this all by himself. Look at that. Yeah. In there. And out here. And in there.
Det her er bullshit her.
What's bullshit?
Kid-nummeret.
Well,
Og tassene.
the long numbers for your bank account. What? She's hot. Good dog. What's she doing? Are you thirsty? Yeah, it's totally hot outside. Look at that. Everyone's enjoying the great weather on June the 1st. It's nice, really. Wow.